Final video to fix Lightroom when you see that this unlicensed Adobe app will be disabled soon warning. And if you're facing this problem, you're not alone. It usually happens because Adobe detects a license issue or mismatch in your account. And many tutorials on YouTube make it confuse it with long steps or complicated software tweaks that don't always work. But today on Rexist, I'm going to show you a secret easy trick that solves this problem in minutes without any extra tools or risk. And it works for both Windows and Mac. So if you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I'll make it just for you.